again, special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this S100 remote control helicopter to unbox and show you. I think this is pretty cool. One key takeoff and landing, hover function, double protection, light, and it has an indoor flight mode. You can see there's a little sticker, your own space in the sky, just all your warnings and like technical data here. Has a 70 milliamp hour battery, more company info there. Here's a little bit of the colors. They have a black, a white, and a blue. They sent us the blue, and the back is just a photo of it. Mini series, unbelievable stimulation, challenge extreme limit. So let's open this up. No tape or anything. Let's see what we got here. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Oh man, it's so tiny. All right, well, let's take this out, and there's some other accessories, booklets, nothing else in the box. So we have, looks like everything you'll need here. So helipad thing, cautions of battery cautions. And then this is the full user's manual, which will tell you everything we're not going through here in the unboxing. And then this is, look at that little propeller, so tiny. Little screwdriver to help with your maintenance, little included USB charger to charge up your battery, and then everything else is in here. So we can take out our controller. Here is the controller. Looks like left, right, take off, power, and then that's forward, backwards, and moving around. It does take some batteries, which are not included, that go right here. And then this is the tiny little drone. This is really unique. I mean, a mini helicopter. You have an on-off button here on the bottom, and then this is also where this charger can plug in to charge up the little internal battery in here. And yeah, the propellers to fly it. This thing is so little. Look at that. All right, well, thanks again to this company. It was nice enough to send me this mini series helicopter to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Deuces.